Alright, we're gonna do a muffler delete on the IS250.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
One muffler out, baby. Okay. Whatever you think is gonna look good. All I want is just as long as the tip doesn't come. Yeah, 2.5 to 2. 2.5 would be too big, you know. 2.5, 3 inches. There you go. I changed my mind on the pipe. 1 inch out. This is 1 inch out. Too much. Weld it inside. Hanging. All right, baby, it's done. Amigo, you got that. All right, let's see the difference. Oh man, it's dark. The key should be inside, amigo. And I'm gonna let you guys hear the final. God damn it. Let that damn teacher talk. So this is what it looks like. Place the camera here. Hopefully you guys see it. Maybe not. Okay. It's not too loud. If I took the resonator out, it'll be. But other than that, it's pretty simple. All right, here we go. It's done. Oh man. Rev a little bit. Oh wow.